Hello everyone. I am going to start with text box. Text boxes in Power BI are highly customizable, allowing you to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other styling properties to match the overall design of your report. You can also position text boxes freely on the report canvas to optimize the layout and improve readability. Then next, go to More Visuals tab. There will have the two options. One is from App Store and another one is from My Files. You can go to App Store, then search for what kind of custom visual you want, then install it. Use it as per. UR requirements, but all custom visual not available free. We need to buy it. Another option is you can build you own, then you can use it. Then next, new measure. This refers to a custom calculation that you create using DAX, data analysis expressions, the formula language in Power BI. With new measures, you can perform various calculations such as sums, averages, counts, and more complex operations on your data. Then next, quick measure. Quick measures are pre-built, commonly used calculations that are provided by Power BI to help users create measures more efficiently. These predefined calculations cover common analytical needs, such as year-to-date totals, moving averages, and percentiles. They allow users to create complex calculations without writing DAX code from scratch, making it easier to analyze data and build reports quickly. Then next, sensitivity. Sensitivity labels in Power BI are used to classify data based on its sensitivity level. These labels help organizations apply appropriate controls and protection mechanisms to their data, ensuring compliance with regulations and internal policies regarding data privacy and security. Sensitivity labels can be applied to data sets, reports, and dashboards within Power BI, and they define the level of protection and access controls that should be applied to the data. For example, you might have data that is highly sensitive and requires strict access controls, encryption, and data loss prevention, DLP policies. On the other hand, you might have less sensitive data that can be shared more freely within your organization. Sensitivity labels allow you to enforce policies such as encryption, restricted access, and data retention based on the sensitivity of the data. Then next, publishing. Publishing in Power BI refers to the process of sharing your reports. Once you have created your reports and visualizations in Power BI Desktop, you can publish them to the Power BI service. You can publish reports to workspaces in the Power BI service, where you can manage permissions, schedule data refreshes, and create data-driven alerts. Additionally, you can embed Power BI reports into other applications or websites to make your insights more accessible to a wider audience. Then next, refresh means updating the data in your reports and dashboards to reflect the most recent information from your data sources. It ensures that your analyses are based on the latest data available, helping you make informed decisions. Then next, transform data and data source settings are both key features in Power BI that help users prepare and manage their data effectively. Transform data. Transform data is a feature in Power BI that allows users to clean, reshape, and transform their data before loading it into their data model. When you connect to a data source in Power BI, you often encounter raw or unstructured data that may need cleaning or restructuring to make it suitable for analysis and visualization. The Transform Data functionality, also known as Power Query Editor, provides a user-friendly interface for performing various data transformation tasks. Data source settings. Data source settings in Power BI allow users to manage the connection settings and configurations for their data sources. When you connect to external data sources such as databases, files, or online services, you need to specify connection details such as server name, database name, authentication method, and other parameters. Data source settings enable users to configure and manage these connection settings centrally, making it easier to maintain and update connections across multiple reports and datasets. Users can specify connection details, set privacy levels, define data source dependencies, and configure options for data loading and refresh. By managing data source settings, users can ensure that their data connections are secure, reliable, and optimized for performance, thereby facilitating seamless data integration and refresh processes in Power BI. Transform data and data source settings. Both concepts I will show detailed information in next videos. Subscribe the channel for more tech videos.